Sage Perney, and I'm in the millwright program. I mean, it's working with any type of equipment that moves, pretty much. So you could work on a conveyor belt, you could work on, leveling a pump, or laying a pump initially, like into the ground or whatever. So it's just so many things that you could do with it, like welding. People go just to weld. You can get this from this program. So the best thing about the millwright program is that it's hands-on learning. So you actually get to see it from the book. Dennis explains it to you, and then you actually get to work on something.
My name is Dennis Eastman, and I'm the assistant millwright professor here. I teach all the millwright courses. And I love it. I just love it. It's great. The students that I have want to learn. They want to be in class. We have small classes. We limit ourselves to 8 students, and they want to be here. They don't have to have a lot of knowledge, but they have to have a lot of desire to be in the mechanical field. And because we start right from the basics, we start at safety and go all the way through and end in vibration analysis. We go through turbines and compressors and pumps. We go through alignment. We go through trade math, different types of math, basic trigonometry, and anything that's used in the field, seals, packing, that are used on pumps and rotating equipment, all of that. And so it starts at the very basic, works its way through. In Alaska, there are 3 basic fields that we can go. In the lower 48, there's a lot more. We have robotics in the lower 48, and you have grain processing in the grain elevators, and all kinds of other things that we don't have up here. But up here we have the oil industry, we have power generation, and we have, in our fishing industry, we have all the equipment that's used in the fishing industry. And those would be our 3 large ones. So someone that's looking for a career in those fields. The mining industry, we have people working at Pogo Mine, for instance. We have several large gold mines in the state, and we have a lead zinc mine that's up at Waikatsu up there. But there are several large mines, and there's an awful lot of millwright work involved in those